Looking for a kitchen remodel in Sun Lakes? For many homeowners in Sun Lakes, remodeling isn't just about style. It's about comfort, safety, and long term livability. The best remodeling contractor in Sun Lakes understands aging in place design, accessibility, and quality craftsmanship. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we use a design build approach that ensures every detail is planned before construction begins. You see your new layout in 3D, you select materials with our in house designer, you received fixed pricing before we begin building anything. So, whether you're upgrading a bathroom for better accessibility or refreshing your kitchen for easier entertaining, our in house team manages the entire process. No chaos, no confusion, just simplicity. So if you're looking for the best kitchen remodeler in Sun Lakes, choose the team that prioritizes safety, function, and peace of mind. If you're interested in working with us, feel free to schedule your consultation with our remodel expert and start planning your next chapter of your home.